This device allows for locking in the disconnected test or connected positions of the circuit breaker in its chassis and prevents inserting the racking handle. Before operating, discharge the main springs and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs. Push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. The key lock is mounted on the bottom left side of the draw-out mechanism. To increase safety, up to 2 different key locks can be mounted on the mechanism. Remove the plastic part by using a PH screwdriver. Choose where you want to integrate the key lock and break the plastic parts to install it. Remove the 2 nuts from the key lock. Insert the key lock and place the nuts to fix it. Tighten with the spanner. Mount the adapter on the key lock cylinder and affix with a small screw. Put back the complete assembly on the mechanism and then screw it in. You can now lock the position of the breaker body in the chassis. It can be locked either in connected test or disconnected positions. To go from one position to another, acknowledge the current position by pressing the button. Then use the racking handle to insert it into the hole and rotate clockwise to rack in, anti-clockwise to rack out. To lock the position, turn the key and remove it. Now the position cannot be changed. The handle cannot be inserted. To unlock, insert the key and turn it. The mechanism is unlocked and the breaker can be racked in or racked out. If the 2 locks are mounted, each key must be inserted and turned.